Hi there. This is just a follow up to that previous video I did. If you didn't see that, it has two secrets about using a caulk gun. I'd really recommend you watch it and like it. But after I did that video, I had some caulking to do, and I didn't take my own advice and use well, I don't want to say it because it'll give away the secret, but to break the seal of the caulk gun, I used a nail that I had lying around, and so I had my hand and I pushed the nail in, but the nail was a nail that I took off of a automatic nail gun pack, and the way that those nails are kept together is with two little pieces of wire. And so I'd taken that nail out, but I had this little piece of wire, so when I pushed it in, the wire went into my finger, and it hurt and it's bleeding. So that's another reason to watch that video, and you'll see how to avoid that.